This is Activity 1.5 on page 25, Managing the Workspace. We have My Building with Heart and My Solicitation Letter both open. Our scenario: in a recent brainstorming session with other members of your team, the group worked together to compose some paragraphs that contain information you want to include in the cover letter. You will open the notes from that meeting, which you took in Microsoft Word. You will copy some of the text from your notes into your cover letter. Before you do this, you will arrange your workspace so you can work with the two documents side by side. So number one, close a document. We want to make sure that My Building with Heart is our active document, and we're going to close this out. We're going to go to File and down to Close, and this will only close our active document. Since you won't be working with the fact sheet document anymore in this session, you've closed it to avoid window clutter. My solicitation letter is still open in Word, so now I have that as my active document. If the My Solicitation Letter window is not the foreground window, select its title bar or the word icon on the Windows taskbar to make it the active window. So if yours is not shown, just hover over your Word application and select that to bring it to the foreground. Number two, we're going to open a document from within Word. We're going to select File, go down to Open, and we're going to click on our Browse button in the middle. The open dialog box is shown, and by default, the location you are shown is the directory that contains the current document. So because My Solicitation Letter, which we already have open, is saved in the Getting Started with Word folder, it should open here. If it doesn't for whatever reason, just navigate to your home drive, Word Part 1, then the Getting Started with Word subfolder, so you're located here. From our file list, we're going to select Notes from Brainstorming Session, and we're going to click Open. And letter E, if paragraph marks are not showing, then you want to go to your Home tab, Paragraph Group, and activate your Show Hide button. So we do want that turned on right now. Number three, arrange the documents so you can see both at one time. We're going to go up to our View tab, and in our Window group, we're going to select the Switch Windows drop-down. So all currently open Word documents are listed, and you can see that you now have two documents open. So this time we have My Solicitation Letter and our Notes from Brainstorming Session. We're going to select My Solicitation Letter from our drop-down. And this feature is an alternative to using the Windows taskbar. Letter C, make sure the navigation pane is closed in both windows, which mine are. And on the View tab, in the Windows group, we're going to select Arrange All. This feature resizes and arranges document windows so they are stacked. So mine shows My Solicitation Letter at the top and Notes from Brainstorming Session on the bottom. If yours are switched, that's fine. Don't worry about it. Just as long as they're stacked one on top of the other. We're actually going to change them to view them side by side. So in either window, you want to select your View tab, Windows group, and then select side by side. Again, if they're flip-flopped here, if My Solicitation Letter is shown on the left, that's okay. Don't worry about that. So this feature resizes and arranges document windows so they are side by side. You may need to adjust the zoom level so you can see each document better in this layout. So if need be, you can zoom in if you want. If you don't see a whole page in each document window, use the zoom bar or select your View tab, Zoom group, and page width so you can see the entire page width. If you have a large monitor, this layout might be useful to refer to one document as you write in another or to copy text from one to the other. On a smaller monitor, such as the example shown, text may be hard to read and the ribbon may start to collapse groups of controls so they take up less space. Fortunately, you can quickly make document windows larger or smaller as needed. So you can see I'm on my View tab. Well, on my View tab in both of them actually, but you can see, remember how the Windows tab, when it's maximized, it showed all of my icons for my different commands? This is actually collapsed because now I don't have so much room up top on my ribbon. So now it holds a drop down arrow where it will show the commands that would be listed on the ribbon if it were maximized. Okay, so if it starts to look funny to you, don't worry, it's supposed to. It's just collapsed to make more room. Number 4, quickly switch between larger and smaller document window sizes. On our Notes from Brainstorming session window, we're going to click on our Maximize button. So that's in the top right-hand corner of our Notes from Brainstorming session application window. And when I select that, the document window will expand to fill the entire monitor. At this size, there is much more room to work. Now you can see when I go back up to that button, it's no longer maximized, now it's restore down. So when I click restore down, it's going to bring it to its previous size. All right, so it says to maximize the Notes from Brainstorming session document window again so it fills the entire monitor. All right, so I'm going to maximize again. And you could have also double-clicked on the title bar and that will maximize it as well. So if I double-click here, it's going to restore it down. If I double-click now, it's going to maximize it. So that's another method for that as well. All right, we're going to leave both of these open for our next activity.